Yes, who are going to read the question? Nitya, can you please can you please read the first question?
Yes, ma'am. Number of gallons of fuel used on a trip varies with the number of miles traveled. If a trip of 270 miles required 12 gallons of fuel, how many gallons are required?
Yeah, what is the meaning of gallons in a year?
144,
Yes,
144 items is called a gallon.
very good, very good. So 1 gallon equal to 144. That's okay. It's a measuring unit. Measuring unit. So here the number of gallons of fuel used on trip varies directly with the number of miles traveled. Direct proportion, children. It is given in question only. Direct proportion. So
Ma'am, it's
uh,
18 gallons, ma'am, because if you do do 4 by 5 by 270 into 12, you get 18.
very good. 270
4
miles required 12 gallons and 405 miles required how many gallons you
so
supposed to find out?
405 by 270, so 18 gallons.
Very good, very good, very good. Next, Manideep, can you read the second question?
Yes, ma'am. A bottle of 150 vitamins costs $5.25. If the cost varies directly with the number of vitamins in the bottle, what should a bottle with 250 vitamins cost?
Ma'am, this also it is 8.75, ma'am, same.
Yes, Inia, is it a direct proportion or indirect proportion, Inia?
Ma'am,
Yes,
it's direct.
very good. So that you can just 250 into
250 divided
5.25.
by 150 into 5.25, 8.75.
Right, children, right. Next, time to complete. Just to see, children, if you have direct proportion, one simple technique I'm giving. Whether every units are very similar, you just go whatever the thing 1 minute. It's not. Why it is 1 minute. Yeah, you just see, children, what is the question? It's regarding to vitamins.
Yes,
So,
ma'am. If
what is
a
250?
bottle of 150 vitamins costs $5.25.
$5.25, right?
Yes, ma'am. The
Yes.
cost of very tech number of
Cost of? I didn't get the properly your
So,
voice.
ma'am, 150 vitamins cost $5.25. And what should a bottle with 250 vitamins cost?
Very good, very good. So here 250 multiplied with 5.25, it's a directly
Yes, ma'am.
proportion.
250 divided by
Divide with 150, children.
$8.75.
Right. Next, Ridhima, please, who just before read, I think Inaya, your voice was very clear. Please go with the third question.
Yes, ma'am. The time to complete a project varies inversely with the number of employees. If 3 people can complete the project in 7 days, how long will it take 5 people? Ma'am, this is inverse proportion because one value is going up and one value is going down.
Very good, very good. So that 3 multiplied
4.2 days,
21
ma'am.
by 5.
4.2 days.
Yeah, 21 by 5, it's a
Yes, ma'am. 4.2 days.
very good, very good. Next, Ridhima, please, why you did not write Ridhima the exam? The
Ma'am, I
test?
was out of station, ma'am, so I
Yeah, yeah.
couldn't write the test.
Okay, okay. Anyway, we are discussing. Please, next question, Ridhima,
ma'am.
please read the question.
The volume V of a gas kept at a constant temperature varies inversely at the pressure as the pressure P. If the pressure is 24 pounds per square inch, the volume is 15 cubic feet. What will be the volume when the pressure is 30 pounds per square inch? Ma'am, so it's an inverse variation, so we have to do parallel multiplication. So it will be 24 into 15 by 30, which will give 12 cubic feet.
Right, right. Next, Divesh, please respond. Which of the following represent direct proportion? This part also we discussed. One is x by y equal to constant. Another one is x y equal to constant.
Y is equal to K.
Y equal to
kx.
kx. Wonderful, wonderful. Next, sixth question. Manideep,
Yes, ma'am.
it's a simple logical proportion. Please frame an equation.
If y is equals to 15 when x is equals to 12, find y when x is equals to 32.
So 15 is to 12 is as y is to 32. You can
30.
find the value of y.
Yes.
Or else very simple. Any other simple technique here, children, to find out the value of y? Yes, 15 is to 12 is
Ma'am,
as,
you can do 32 divided by 15.
yes, that is okay. That's okay. Here, 15 is to 12 is as x is to 32. Find the value of x. So which option is correct here?
Y is equal to 5 by 4 and x is equal to 40.
Right, children, right. Seventh question, which ratio below is proportional to 5 by 6? Just to see
25
here.
by 30 because 25 into 5 is 25 and 5 is 30.
Just a minute, children. Please go with the next part. Come back within a minute. There is an important call. I need to attend the call.
Yep.
Yes, please, who are going to read the question, please analyze and go with that. We'll come back. Yeah, so sorry for inconvenience, children. 1 minute. We'll start. Meanwhile, you can discuss, right, children? Okay. So, Ayush, are you there? Ayush, am I audible to you?
Yes.
Ayush.
Yes.
Right.
Ma'am,
Which
it's
ratio?
21.
Which ratio is proportional? Very simple question, children. 5 by
6
6
into 3
means
so
5
7
5
into 3 which
6
is
5 are. You are raising with 5 on both sides. You are getting a 25 by 30. Here C value, children. 18 multiplied with 7 by 6. So 6 3s are 18. So 7 3s are 21.
21. Yes, ma'am.
The same way M value. So 25 multiplied with 3 is 75.
Ma'am, it's 5.
Right. 75 by 15 is 5. Same way X equal to 14 multiplied with 3 by 7. 7 2s are, it's the value of X value is
6.
6. The same way N equal to how much, children? 19 multiplied with 22 by 38.
11.
Simplify and do the answer. What is the value here, children? 11th
11.
bit. Right.
11.
Next question is also very simple. The class has 12 girls and 16 boys. What is the ratio of total students to boys? Simplest form. It's
Ma'am,
very simple.
if you do 7 by 4, ma'am.
16 plus 12.
Ma'am, it's 7 by
28. 28 upon 16. So which table you can cancel that, children? You just reduce it. You will get
7 by
right. Next one. The pet store has 18 dogs toys for sale. 10 toys are, what is this, children? Frisbees, and the rest are bones.
frisbees and rest are bones.
What is ratio of bones to frisbees in simplest form?
4 is to 5.
So your pet store has 18 dogs to sale, 10 were so and so, and the rest out of 8 are bones here. So that simplest form of bones to, so 8 is to 10. 4 by 5. Come on, children, fill the missing number in the ratio table. So here 2
Ma'am, it's 11,
times
ma'am. It's
2 times 22, right?
1 to 11.
What is proportion, children? Please, what is proportion? Proportion is when two ratios have an exact same numbers, or when two ratios are equivalent.
Equivalently. Ma'am, B, ma'am. When
When two ratios are equivalent and shows the same value. Option B is true, children. What is proportion means? When two ratios are equivalent and show the same value. Next one. Two objects that are same shape but not the same size. Yes, I want answer from Ridhima. Please, Ridhima. Objects are same
Ma'am,
shape.
it will be similar.
Very good. If both same shape and the same size means what we can say there?
Ma'am, it will be congruent.
Wonderful, wonderful. See, children, the difference between similar objects and congruent objects are, it's very clear. Two objects are same shape and the same size means we can call it as congruent things. If two objects are same shape but not same size, we can call it as similar objects. Now this concept is very useful in the next questions. Are the following are similar?
No, the
Why
ratios of the
why not?
corresponding
You
sides.
need to check the ratios, children, whether are equivalent ratios.
No,
Those
ma'am.
are
The corresponding
similar figures.
not
Is it similar figures, children? I am unable to see here the figure. Please, if you're able to,
similar figures.
yes, if you're able to see in my screen, I can't maximize here. I'm not getting.
We can see, ma'am.
Yeah, please check it. What is that? Two
See, ma'am.
rise.
No, the ratios are of the congruent size are not equal.
Inaya, is it similar figures?
No, ma'am. I answered it C, which was right, and it says the ratios of the corresponding sides are not equal.
Why? Because 6 twice means it's become 12, right? But it is given as 6 only, so it's
Yes,
no.
ma'am.
Very good, very good. Next question goes to the same part, children. Pair of figures are similar. Find the missing side. So one is raised to 3 times means, so x means 3. 3 3s are 9. Yeah. Are the following are similar? Why not? Because if are similar means we can easily say that.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, it's yes.
corresponding sides are congruent.
Yes, here you just see, children, corresponding angles are equal, corresponding sides are in proportion or not. Please check it, children. Please check.
They all are similar.
Is it why not? Okay, yes, all pairs are corresponding angles are congruent. No congruent, no corresponding angles are not equal. No, the ratios of corresponding sides are. Which option is true here, children?
A, ma'am. It's A.
Yes, all pairs of corresponding angles are congruent.
Yes, ma'am.
What about sides?
Sides are also ma'am, they're not equal, ma'am. The sides. One
So
is
then how you will say it's are congruent? Is the proper, please check it, children. 27 by 36, 18 by 24.
Ma'am,
Yes, 27 by 36. Please check it. Hello? I
yes.
can hear some voice.
no, ma'am. You can continue.
Yeah, Divyesh, I will do this bit on screen. 27 corresponding, if you take a AB length as 27 and coming to DE length, it's 36. 27 and 36 will go in which table? Common table 9. 9 threes are 9 fours are. So 3 by 4 you will get. Coming to AC, the side AC, you just check with the DF 18 by 24. So 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24. 3 by 4, yes, it is true. Coming to the C and the B, BC is 27, EF is 36. Those are also, yes, children, they're in proportion. They're in proportion. So that what we can say here, are the following are similar? Yes. All pairs of angles also congruent, right? Next. What is the shape then? Yes. Which shape it is? It's a quadrilateral. So here the 10 times 4, 10 fours are 40. So
Ma'am, x is equal to 12 because it's raising by
12, 3 fours are 12, right? Everything raised with 4 times. Next question. A triangle has a same triangle has size measuring 11 centimeters, 16 centimeters, and again 16. Similar triangles has sides measuring as x 24, 24. What is x? So here 16 by 24 and 16. Yes. What is the x value here, children?
0.5, ma'am.
Hmm?
You should do now. You should do 16.
Ma'am, it's 16.5.
11 into 16 into
You will get 16.5, Ridhima.
11 into 16.
Ma'am, first we'll do 24 by 16.
Okay.
So there
okay.
we will get
24 by
and
16.
we'll get 1.5.
Okay. So
Ma'am,
here,
so 1.5 into 11 is 16.5.
very good, very good. You just equate to constant, right? Next, this is another similar figure. Find the missing side. What is missing here? Okay, 6, 3 times 18.
Ma'am, it's
So
0
7, 3 times 21. Right, children? It's very simple question. If you know similarities, you can easily find out that unknown things. Children, there are many applications. Why I trust many questions on this means if you know this is very well, you can go more application part more easier. Next question, x is 6 feet and 2 times 2 feet, right? Right, 2 feet. This is one more wonderful application. Even, yes, Ridhima, can you please read the question?
To find the height of a very tall pine tree, you place a mirror on the ground and stand where you can see the top of the pine tree. How tall is the mirror?
Yes. So how you supposed to calculate here, children? The picture you see, children. You just image pattern you have to take, and the pine tree. The boy man is watching. The original height of man was you just imagine as 6 feet. Image height down it is given. You just observe the thing carefully, children. Image height where it is it's 2 feet. That means 2 feet. Scale was you just take it as an image.
So it will become 6 into 24 by 2.
Yes. So here the rest pine tree height is as 24 feet is given. That means here 2 raised with 3 times makes 6 feet. The same ratio you can increase the 24 multiplied with the 3 is. What is 24 multiplied with the 3?
70.
So the height of pine tree is 72.
We can even do like this, ma'am. 6 into 24 by 2.
Yes, very simple. General, if you understand what ratio it is going on, you just look at the so man image and man original height 6 feet and 2 feet. That means 2 raised 3 times makes 6. Same way, pine tree image the shadow is 24 feet means the original height of pine tree was 24 multiplied with the 3 gives 72 feet. General thinking, children. Question only looking little tricky, but if you understand that, you can go with these. Next question goes to Inaya. Please read the question number 25 onwards.
Yes, ma'am. Gwen scans a photo that is 4 inches wide by 6 inches tall into her computer. If she scales the height down to 3 inches, how wide should the similar photo be?
Ma'am, 2
Yeah.
2 inches.
Okay. Why? Because it's inversely proportional or directly proportional, children, inversely proportional, right? So 4 into 6 by 3. So it's 2. You're right, children, right? You're correct. Next question. Come on, continue, ma.
Should I continue, ma'am?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am. A picture of school's mascot in 18 inches wide and 24 inches long. It is enlarged proportionally to banner size. If the width is enlarged to 54 inches, what is the length of the banner?
72.
Yeah, here you just see, children, banner size enlarged proportionally is given. Picture of a school mascot is 18 inches wide and 24 inches long. So here in down it is given, width is given a 54 inches. So 18, how many times 54, children? 18,
7.
3 times. So the same way you need to enlarge the other part of length also. 24 3 times, 72 inches. So therefore, what is the length of banner here? 72. Yes, continue.
A rectangular garden is 45 feet wide and 70 feet long. On a blueprint, the width is 9 inches. Identify the length on the blueprint.
So this is rectangular garden is 45 wide and long. Okay. Blueprint, it's like a blueprint. The width is 9. Okay, even we can use the same
Ma'am,
technique.
it will be
in our-
14 inch.
Very good. 14 fives are 70. 9 fives are 45. Wonderful. Right, Nana. Next.
A tree is 12 feet tall and casts a shadow of 9 feet long. A building nearby casts a shadow that measures 24 feet. How tall is the building?
Ma'am, 32 feet.
Nice question. Tree 12 feet tall, casts a shadow 9 feet long. Building near casts a shadow is 24. So it's 18, right, children? What is the answer here? 12 into 9 by 24.
32, ma'am.
Yes. 12. No, how you supposed to? Is it direct proportion? Draw a picture and set up a proportion. What is how you supposed to? Tree fall? Yes, a tree is 12 feet tall and casts shadow. Okay, 9 feet long. A building nearby casts shadows that measures 24. Okay, building is given. Okay.
109
So
by
that 9. Yes, 9. How you supposed to do this question? Who did this correct, children? Who did the correct this one?
Ma'am, I guess it's
Yes. How you supposed to do this? Draw a picture and set up a proportion is given. No need of drawing, children. Right now, you just see tree feet and the shadow feet is long is given. Here the measure of cast is given as 24 feet. How long the building? Building means how you supposed to measure here? Yes. What is the answer for this question? Divyesh, are you there? Bhavya, Divyesh, are you there or not? How you will get 24? Who is saying that 24 is correct? No, I think a tree is 12 feet tall. Cast shadow is 9 feet. So here 9 3 times means no, it's 24 feet.
ma'am,
So-
it's 12 is to 9 and which is 4 is to 3, right?
Is it a direct proportion or indirect proportion, children? 12 feet
Ma'am, it's
shadow feet long is complete tree is
ma'am,
given.
so
So
here 12 is to 9, so 4 is to 4 is
12 by 9 equal to 24 by x. Is it
Ma'am,
12
so
by
X
12 by 9 equal to 24 by x? Is it true, children? No.
12 by 9, which is
12 by 9 equal to 24 by x. Yes.
so 32 is to 24. Now it's
X equal to 24 into 12 by 9. Right, ma? Very good. Right. So you just multiply 12 into 24 by 9. Please simplify, children. 3 3s are 3 4s are
32 feet,
Correct. 32 feet is correct, children. Solve the proportion, you know this is very well. And here y varies directly with x and y is 84, then x is 16. It's directly varies. So which equation represent this situation? So which equation, children? 84 by 16 means we will get as a 5.25. So y equal to 5.25 x, children. How you will get this? Y varies directly with x, it is given. Y varies directly with x means what you supposed to do? Yes. So here the x y by x, so 84 by 16. 84 by 16 is 5.25. Therefore, y equal to 5.25x. Correct. You have to see in this question, is this given direct variations? If so, what is constant?
Direct
So,
variation.
yeah, 3 is constant. Is it 1 by 3, children?
Ma'am,
1 by 3, right? Is it 3
Yes,
or
ma'am.
1 by 3?
Ma'am, it's
equal
1 by
1
3.
Very good. 1 by 3. 1 by 3, children, because it's given direct variation. 1 by 3. So name the constant property, constant proportionality. Which constant is proportional here? 2 raised 40. Is it 40, children? Is it 40 or what number? So 4 4s are 6. Yes, 40 only, children. Because you just see 2 multiplied with 40 gives 80. 4 multiplied with 40 gives 166. Multiplied with 40 gives 248. Multiplied with 350, 320 is?
it's for
Yes. Next question you see, children, here. Next question you see. Which one is given? Look at the table. Which of the following is K? What
K is equal
constant?
to 2.
Right. It's very simple questions. I'm not going to take much time. But you just see children. Every 30 seconds, you can text 35 words. How many words can you text in an hour? It's a direct or indirect
Ma'am,
proportion.
540.
540. It's simple question. You just
Same in
see the
quiz
missing
also, ma'am.
here. Same repeated question. I think so that. So if x and y are inverse proportion means what you should do, children? Inverse means
X by y.
inverse. Inverse, my dear.
X into y.
X into y equal to constant. Very good. If direct proportion means y by x.
By y.
Next here you just see x and y are inversely proportional. So that just before formula you just substitute. X and y are inversely proportional. Using this table, find the value of y equal to 10 when x. So y equal to 10 means x value how much, children? X value how much? Y equal to 10 means x value how much?
Ma'am, it is also 10.
Right. Next one, 6 pipes can fill a tank in 120 minutes. Is it direct or indirect? Read the question. 6 pipe, 120 minutes. 5 pipes can fill it in how many minutes?
Direct.
So 6 indirect, right, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Indirect means parallel
Yes,
multiplication as 6 into 120 by 5.
So 100.
Right. Next, G is directly proportional to B. So Z is 20, B is 4.
5.
Find Z when B equal to 7.
5, ma'am.
Cross
5, 4.
yes. Cross multiplication. So 4 5s are 5 7s are 35. Next, you see children, next question. Manideep, can you please read the next question? Manideep,
A track covers a yes, ma'am.
come on.
A truck covers a distance of 510 kilometers in 34 liters of diesel. How much distance would it cover in 20 kilometers of diesel?
So it's direct proportion, right? So what cross multiplication, right?
Yes,
But
ma'am.
once it is- So 20 multiplied with 510 by 34. If you simplify, you will get what answer you are getting, children, in this question? Question number 40. Hmm?
Hello, ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am, 300 kilometers.
Right. Ayush, please read the 41 question. Ayush. Ayush Mishra, please respond and read the question number 41. Yeah, Sonu walks a uniform 5 kilometer per hour. What distance will be covered in 2 hours? Direct proportion. So 5 kilometers means per hour more than 10. 10 and nearly, is it, which answer is correct, children? Is it 12? Is it 12 kilometers?
Yes, ma'am, 12 is correct.
Yeah, exactly. By estimating also you can answer this question, children, because there is no near number. 12 only we have. Next, Inia, please read the rest of the questions, Inia.
A machine in a soft drink factory fills 840 bottles in 6 hours. How many bottles will it fill in 5 hours?
Right,
840 by 5.
right. Next question.
In a
This is
model
interesting.
of a ship, the mast is 9 centimeters high, while the mast of the actual ship is 12 meters high. If the length of the ship is 28 meters, how long is the model ship?
Ma'am, it's
Yes. Is it direct proportion or indirect proportion?
the model of a ship is 9 meters.
Hmm.
Ma'am, it's
Yes, is it?
if one is decreasing, the rest is also decreasing. It's direct proportion.
Direct. So that can you make a proportion here? Find the value of x
21
unknown
meters,
thing.
ma'am. 28 by 9.
So here,
21.
yes. No, but here it is meters and centimeters. I think answer is in centimeters. Children. They gave wrong answer actually. You just see. So the model of the ship you supposed to express in centimeters. I should change this question to unit should be in centimeters, children. Don't consider as meters because it is a model. Maybe the size will be reduced like how we are doing in map scales reducing. Same way model it's a centimeter. So sorry, this is units are centimeters, not meters.
It's 21 centimeters.
Right, right. So your answer is correct, but the centimeters should be there. Next.
Anju types 540 words during half an hour. How many words would she type in 8 minutes?
Right. So this is once again general, direct.
144.
Next.
A
Right. Next.
farmer has enough food to feed 28 animals in his cattle for 9 days. How long would the food last if there were 8 more animals in the cattle?
Yeah. How you supposed to do here? 8 more animals means added means food is going to yeah. Is decreasing or increasing, children?
Decreasing.
So which proportion it is?
Yeah, indirect.
So 28 multiplied by 9 by 8. Come on,
7.
children, please simplify and give the
7, ma'am.
yes. 11. Next, Nitya, please continue with 46.
Box of fruits
Maybe Nitya have network issue, Nitya. I think I'm not clear with your voice. Continuously I'm seeing. Nitya, can you please repeat?
if a box of sweets is divided among 24 children, they will get 5 each. How many would each get if the number of children is by 4?
No, yes. Listen, children, this is a general, once again, it's an indirect proportion because number
Ma'am,
of
this is
people will
actually from the
increase.
textbook. This is there in the
You have same question. Okay.
when I was
Okay, right, right.
ma'am, it's
So 24 multiplied by 5 by 4 children.
6.
For 8. Yeah. 4 6 are 6 5 are. Is it a 6 5 are? No, no. 4 how many times 24?
4, 6 times 6, ma'am.
So they so
24 by
no ma here 24 children they will get each 5 5 sweets. So how many each will get if number of children were decreased to 4? 4 means they will get more than 5, right, children?
Yes, ma'am. So
6.
because 20 will get.
Next. Yeah. Next question. 7 taps of the same size fill the tank in 1 hour 36 minutes. How long will it 8 taps of
Ma'am,
the
it's
same
inverse.
size? Yes, it's inverse, but yes, Yanaya, please, can you give the answer for this question? Yanaya.
Yes, ma'am. Just a second.
Ma'am, it's, can I say?
Niche, let her answer because 7 taps of same size, 1 tank, 1 hour.
Ma'am, it's D, 1 hour 24 minutes.
Yes, ma'am, will come like 1.24. So it will take 1 hour.
Okay, is it direct proportion? No.
No, ma'am, it's indirect proportion.
Okay. I think answer is given indirect proportion. I think it's how long will it 8
Ma'am,
taps of
because
same
number of
size?
taps is decreasing, time is increasing. Number of taps is decreasing, time is decreasing.
Okay. Yes, that's true. Inverse proportion. Next question
this
goes to
there in the text.
Ridhima. Ridhima.
Yes, ma'am. A school
Please,
has 8 periods a day, each of 45-minute duration. How long would each period be if the school had 9 periods a day, assuming the number of school hours to be the same? Ma'am, so since the number of periods are increasing, the number of minutes have to decrease. So it's an indirect proportion. So we have to do
Very
8
good.
into 45 by 9. So it will be 8 into 5, so 40 minutes.
Very good.
Ma'am, it's 30.
Right. That's all. Right, children. Only the you need to when the question is given, first check whether direct or indirect. If any units are different or not, or same units are given. That only two things. If you are aware, you can do easily, children.
Ma'am, even this question is there in the text.
Okay. That's about yesterday's test and this class. Can we go with visualizing the solid shapes, children? Just introduction part I will give. What are solids? What is the difference between 2D figures and 3D figures, children? What is who will give?
That's a two-dimensional space where we imagine the normal laptop screen is called dimensional.
Yes, Ridhima, can you please give what is the difference between 2D figures and 3D figures?
2D figures are 2-dimensional.
Okay.
3D figures are 3-dimensional.
What are those 3 dimensions? Can you please tell?
3 dimensions means you'll have length, breadth, and height.
Very good. Coming to 2D figures.
We'll only have length and breadth.
Right, ma. Right. Next. Yes. So here there are few images we are having even some 2D figures having formed by polygons. Some are not polygons. We have specific names also. What are polygons? What are the? Is it a circle? Is a polygon, children? Circle. It is a 2D shape. Circle is a polygon. Why it's not a polygon? Please let me know. Who are going?
Because
Yes.
like having number of, it has unlimited number of sides.
No, not like that. Any specific part I supposed to. And yeah, please, what is the difference between a triangle and a circle?
A circle has no corners, and when a triangle has 3.
Okay, that's okay. And here, no corners, as you said. Is it both are 2D figures only, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, can you, my
Ma'am, it
exact
doesn't
word?
have 8 sides.
Very good, very good. So it's a polygons because the line segments, the boundaries will be straight lines, as you said. Coming to other figures like a circle, we are curved surfaces as no edges for the figure. That's there are difference in 2D figures. Same way we have some other difference in 3D figures too. So what are 3D figures, children? Just cube, cuboid, sphere, cone, and other figures like cylinder. What is cube, cuboid, prism, and pyramid. What is the difference between these figures, children? Cube, cuboid, prism, pyramid, and sphere, cone, cylinder. What is
And
the
they have
difference?
their own vertices, size, and all. They all are different.
Someone is given no only. Yes, I can. Other students, please answer. Others, please answer. What is the difference between cube, cuboid? No, first just listen. Cube, cuboid, prism, pyramid. These are 4 figures. I will put under one category. And some other figures you take a cone, cylinder, sphere. These I will put in another category. Why I can
These have
vary it like
straight
that.
lines. The other ones have curved figures.
Very good. Someone said word of some, these are straight lines, edges and are straight lines coming to the other figure.
They're
We
curved.
have
They're curved figures.
the faces are not a polygons. The faces are not polygons. Somewhere we have circular faces, somewhere we have curved regions, right? Very good. So now we can introduce the word tetrahedron. What is tetrahedron? Convex and a concave hadron. So we have many. How we are discussing about convex polygons and concave polygons. What is the difference between
Concave
convex?
polygons are indulging, whereas convex polygon is outdulging.
Yes, wait. Some point you have said it's correct only. Ridhima. What is difference
Yes, ma'am.
between convex and concave polygons, Ridhima?
Convex polygons, where the polygons where the boundary is in convex, meaning they're not pointing like inside towards the figure, and the
Okay.
interior angles are less than 180 degrees.
Very good. Of course, when best one easily you can say. Suppose if I'm taking this is a polygon. Yes, here. What is this, children? What is this? These are diagonals. Diagonals are interior of the figure. Suppose if I'm taking, what is how you can draw the diagonals? Non-adjacent sides. If you meet, those we can call it as diagonals, right? Suppose I'm taking the figure like yes. Suppose I'm taking this figure. How I can draw non-adjacent sides? Suppose this is an adjacent. These are 2 are adjacent sides. Suppose from here to here, if I'm drawing, is a non-adjacent side, right? So what is the difference between first figure and second figure here? So we can draw diagonals outside in this figure. We can draw only diagonals are inside. So diagonals are inside means we can call it as convex polygons. Convex polygons. So whereas diagonals are outside means we can call it as concave. Concave polygons. This is the major difference between convex and concave. Now, why I need to introduce here means what is tetrahedron? Yes, children, please. What are convex and concave? We have some other figures. What's time right now, children? We'll just see.
Tetrahedron is like the type of vertices and all, which are present in the edges of a
3D figures. Suppose 3D figures, the faces. Suppose the 3D figures means we have different faces, right? So the faces, all surfaces, all boundaries, all surface boundaries are polygons. Then we can call it as. Tetrahedron. So suppose the figures like you can take here cube, cuboid, prism, and pyramid. If you take these shapes, all faces are polygons only. Suppose 3D figures you take like a cone, sphere, cylinder. These are, what are the faces, children? Is it polygons? No, non-polygon surfaces. We have non-polygon surfaces. Such a figures we can call it as non-tetrahedrons. These are non-tetrahedrons. Please, these are tetrahedrons. Tomorrow we will go with what are tetrahedrons, what are non-tetrahedrons, what are convex and regular tetrahedrons. We will discuss these things, children. Please come with your ideas and 3D figures we can't assess with only we can see even top view. Visualize how are you supposed to visualize the top view, front view, rear view. We have different views also. We will see in next class with
Ma'am, like the mirror of a car side.
not only this, children, there is a famous mathematician Euler derived the relation between vertices, edges, and what are other things? Faces. There is a wonderful relation between given by the famous mathematician Euler. We will see those things in next class, children. You just please just imagine what is the different figures, different 3D figures. Why some figures we call it as tetrahedrons? Why some figures we call it as non-tetrahedrons? Even though all are 3D figures, so what is the reason? Please go through once and come back when you're coming to the next class, children. That's all for the day, children. We'll meet in next class. Yes. Okay, children. Bye, children. See you.
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
Bye. Bye, Nana. Please come with your ideas, children. What are tetrahedrons? There are different why it is non-tetrahedrons. Why some figures we call it as like a prism, square prism, rectangular prism, triangular prisms. If base part based on base only we are deriving those things. These are the things. Please come with your ideas. We'll meet in next class with in detail concept of Euler's formula, children. Okay, bye. Have a nice day to you all. See you